Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to fix you cannot browse this page due to restrictions on iPhone. So if at the end of this you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do is go ahead and open your iPhone settings. On the settings, scroll down and click on screen time. Now scroll down the screen time page, click on content and privacy restrictions. Locate and click on App Store, Media, Web and Games. Then come down to where you say web content. Now, if this is set to only approved website, limit adult website, just go ahead and set this to unrestricted. And after that, you are good. So that is exactly how you can easily fix. You cannot browse this page because the page is restricted. And then you are good. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.